You want to know how we save you money? Having a piece of equipment like this is why we can be super competitive in making your parts. To put in a press like this, we have to put in a pit that's about 15 feet deep, solid concrete. So the 880 is our largest tonnage capacity press here. Tonnage is important to us, gives us the opportunity to be able to run thicker parts. This is our largest bed size capacity, up to 146 inches. Gives us a little bit of flexibility in our tool design, being able to make multiple progressions in a particular tool, making sure that we differentiate ourselves in being able to design our tools and get as efficient as absolutely possible when running a part. A number of our competitors out there that have smaller tonnage presses, we're really one of the few that have the large tonnage capacity there. So here's a good example of using the machine to its full capability. You know, this is a part in which was actually sourced overseas for a number of years. We brought it back here and we're manufacturing it here in the state of Wisconsin, which is a big win for us. But we were able to develop ways to make this part more economical than it was made in the past.